have no forest fires.
I told you. I
No
told
grass
you.
fires.
Yeah, let's go. It's a thing.
So far so good, y'all. Keep up the good work, all my bros. Drop that shit. Much love to my boy Kirsten, my boy Black Mud, my boy Big Mike 762. What's up with it? You already know. Just hey, doing me safe. My new bro say, what's up with it? All my bros. Pop out, rock out. Be safe. Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right.
What they do? What they do? Yeah.
It must be moving or something. It must be moving.
What they had a lot of
See,
shit.
here, you on trailer and you have to pick up truck.
Shit, yeah, he ain't going, so he gotta go. He gotta go, Jim.
You had to move some
He
shit,
gotta go,
right?
gotta go right now. He got to go, Jim.
Vice love doing that, man.
What's that?
Moving.
Oh, moving shit.
When I moved folks,
Yeah, yeah, I remember that. That was that big
when
man.
I stayed on the road, man.
Big
But
man.
Mike, the people we moving here,
Shit,
you know,
they got the money.
say some people we moved.
Shit.
These people had photos of him and President Bush
Oh, shit.
standing on a ship out in the goddamn movie. Some goddamn. I'm talking about with the United States.
What the hell? So, yeah, you know them folks.
Motherfucker, we moved, sitting out here in the field cars.
What? What the fuck?
Yeah, just it's some of the time, some of the
Yeah,
folks.
this shit and shit.
But then you know the guy we worked for, he had a military contract.
No. He got
And most of
money.
the people we moved,
Motion.
you know, like see a person in the military, they call and say, well, you got to go to,
We move like the
you got to go
military.
here. They don't care their stuff with them. People don't care they house stuff with them.
Yeah,
They put it in storage and move on. You know something. I tell you, 'cause some people we used to be moving like they been retired from the military.
Mm-hmm.
They done bought a home over here in Fort Worth, or over here in Dallas, or over here, and wherever they done bought it. And here they been out here put stuff in storage while they journey was in the military, while they was in the military, because they done moved around so much.
Oh,
Say we killed a
man.
lady. We killed a lady that retired, Mike.
What she had?
She had 3 bobtails full of stuff. How long well, to retire, you got to be in there 20 years or more, Mike. Yeah, that's you got to be in there 20 years to retire.
Yeah, you gonna collect some shit.
Yeah. So they done moved them. They done, they didn't put. Like I said, they didn't kill stuff with them. They put it in storage. Like,
they ain't throwing away shit.
In the place I worked for that movement, he had a storage place. Also, it was a moving and storage place. People been out here stuff in storage 20 years, man. You hear me?
Damn.
When they retire, they want their storage and stuff, go through their storage. We carried a lady her stuff, Mike, one day. She didn't want nothing in there. Had 3 bobtails. Said she didn't want nothing in. She got a brand new house right over there outside of Fort Worth in Watauga. You hear me?
I don't want none of that shit.
Yeah, she gave it to me and Cardi and them. We got that. That's where I got my first apartment when I got out the joint. Damn, that's how I started. You hear me, Mike? That's how I started, Mike. You hear me?
Damn, all that shit. I know that was a lot of shit.
You know what Phil told me?
Oh, you got too much shit.
I had a waste in it.
Yeah, you gotta get rid of some of these shit, man. All this damn shit, yeah, Jim. I believe it too.
Yeah.
I know your head
shit on shit. Give me a big old something. Had a nice on the TV.
I bet, oh Lord, I know you would be money waiting.
Yeah.
Jeez, that money waiting.
Because I'm telling you, we moving attorneys.
Shit, that's crazy like a motherfucker.
That's for real.
Money, 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 money.
I see folks. I see folks all the time moving. Every night, we really, I tell you. Like say I'm moving a person right here, Mike. Had a person live right here or over here or something.
See you, hey, what you trying to do?